ମୁଁ ଆସିଲି। I came. I came. ତୁମେ କହିଲ। You said. You said. ସେ କାମ କଲା। He worked. He worked. ସେ କାନ୍ଦିଲା। He wept. He wept. ରାଜୁ ଆସିଲା। ରାଜୁ came. ରାଜୁ came. ସାନାୟା ହସିଲା। ସାନାୟା laughed. ସାନାୟା laughed. ସେମାନେ କୁକୁରଟିଏ ଆଣିଲେ। They brought a dog. They brought a dog. ସେ ବିଶ୍ରାମ ନେଲେ ନାହିଁ। He did not rest. He did not rest. ଆମ୍ଭେମାନେ କାମ କଲୁ ନାହିଁ। We did not work. We did not work. ତୁମେ କାହିଁକି ଶୋଇଲ ନାହିଁ? Why you did not sleep? Why you did not sleep? ରାହୁଲ ମାର୍କେଟରୁ ଫେରିଲା ନାହିଁ। ରାହୁଲ did not return from market. ରାହୁଲ did not return from market. ସେ ହସିଲା ନାହିଁ। He did not laugh. He did not laugh. ଏହା ବନ୍ଦ ହେଲା ନାହିଁ। It did not stop. It did not stop. ସେ ବଲଟି ଧରିଲା ନାହିଁ। He did not catch the ball. He did not catch the ball. ତୁମେ କହିଲ କି? Did you speak? Did you speak? ସେ ଜାଣିଲା କି? Did he know? Did he know? ରୋହିତ ତା ଭାଇ ସହିତ ମୁମ୍ବାଇରୁ ଆସିଲା କି? Did Rohit come from Mumbai with his brother? Did Rohit come from Mumbai with his brother? ମୁଁ କିଣୁଥିଲି। I was buying. I was buying. ସେମାନେ କାମ କରୁଥିଲେ। They were working. They were working. ମୁଁ ଗଛ ତଳେ ପଢ଼ୁଥିଲି। I was reading under a tree. I was reading under a tree. ସେ ମୋ କଥା ଶୁଣୁଥିଲେ। He was listening my words. He was listening my words. ଭିକାରୀଟି ତାଙ୍କୁ ପଇସା ମାଗୁଥିଲା। The beggar was begging him for money. The beggar was begging him for money. ମୋ ଭାଇ ମୁମ୍ବାଇରୁ ଆସୁଥିଲା। My brother was coming from Mumbai. My brother was coming from Mumbai. ମୁଁ ପଢ଼ୁନଥିଲି। I was not reading. I was not reading. ମୁଁ ବିନା ଜୋତାରେ ଫୁଟବଲ ଖେଳୁନଥିଲି। I was not playing the football without shoe. I was not playing the football without shoe. ସେମାନେ ବିନା ଆଲୁଅରେ ପଢ଼ୁନଥିଲେ। They were not reading without light. They were not reading without light. ସାନାୟା କାନ୍ଦୁଥିଲା କି? Was the Sanaya weeping? Was the Sanaya weeping? ତୁମେ କାର୍ ଚଲାଉଥିଲ କି? Were you driving the car? Were you driving the car? ମୁଁ କଲମରେ ଲେଖେ। I write with a pen. I write with a pen. ମୋ ସାଙ୍ଗ ମୁମ୍ବାଇରେ ସୁଖରେ ବାସ କରୁନଥିଲା। My friend was not living happily at Mumbai. My friend was not living happily at Mumbai. ଟ୍ରେନ୍ଟି ଧୀରେ ଧୀରେ ଗତି କରୁନଥିଲା। The train was not moving slowly. The train was not moving slowly. ତୁମେ ମୋତେ ବଡ଼ ପାଟିରେ ଡାକୁଥିଲ କି? Were you calling me loudly? Were you calling me loudly? ପିଲାମାନେ ନୀରବରେ ଲେଖୁଥିଲେ। The boys were writing silently. The boys were writing silently. ମୁଁ ଧୀରେ ଧୀରେ ଦୌଡ଼ୁଥିଲି। I was running slowly. I was running slowly. ମୁଁ ତାହା ଶେଷ କରିଥିଲି। I had finished that. I had finished that. ସେ ମୋ ଖାତାରେ ଲେଖିଥିଲା। He had written in my copy. He had written in my copy. ସାନାୟା ଗୋଟିଏ କବିତା ଲେଖିଥିଲା। Sanaya had written a poem. Sanaya had written a poem. ତୁମେ ଶେଷ କରିନଥିଲ। You had not finished. You had not finished. ସେ କହିନଥିଲେ। He had not said. He had not said. ମୁଁ ତାହା ଲେଖିନଥିଲି। I had not written that. I had not written that. ଦୋକାନୀ ମୋତେ ପଇସା ଦେଉନଥିଲା। The shopkeeper had not given me money. The shopkeeper had not given me money. ମୁଁ ସାନାୟା ଘରକୁ ଯାଇନଥିଲି। I had not gone to Sanaya house. I had not gone to Sanaya house. ତୁମେ ଘରେ ଶୋଇନଥିଲ। You had not slept in home. ମୁଁ ସେଠାକୁ ଯାଇଥିଲି କି? Did I go there? Did I go there? ତୁମେ ଲ୍ୟାପଟପ୍ ଆଣିଥିଲ କି? Had you brought a laptop? Had you brought a laptop? ତୁମେ ମୁମ୍ବାଇ ଯାଇଥିଲ କି? Had you gone to Mumbai? Had you gone to Mumbai? ମୁଁ ଏଠାକୁ ଆସିବା ପୂର୍ବରୁ ସେ ଚାଲି ଯାଇଥିଲେ। He had left this place before I came here. He had left this place before I came here. ମୁଁ ଷ୍ଟେସନରେ ପହଞ୍ଚିବା ପୂର୍ବରୁ ଟ୍ରେନ୍ଟି ଚାଲି ଯାଇଥିଲା। The train had left before I reached at the station. The train had left before I reached at the station. ତୁମେ ଆସିବା ପରେ ମୁଁ ଘରକୁ ଯାଇଥିଲି। I went home after you had come. I went home after you had come. ବର୍ଷା ବନ୍ଦ ହେବା ପରେ ଖେଳ ଆରମ୍ଭ ହେଲା। The play began after the rains had stopped. The play began after the rains had stopped. ସେ ଭାରି ବିଶ୍ୱାସୀ। He is very faithful. He is very faithful. ତୁମେମାନେ ପ୍ରତିଦିନ ଏଠାକୁ ଆସ କି? Do you come here every day? Do you come here every day? ତୁମେ ଜଣେ ଭଲ ଛାତ୍ର ହେବା ଉଚିତ। You should be a good student. You should be a good student. ଫ୍ରେଣ୍ଡସ୍ ଆଜି ପାଇଁ ଏତିକି। ପୁଣି ଏକ ନୂଆ ଭିଡ଼ିଓରେ ଆପଣମାନଙ୍କ ସହିତ ଭେଟ ହେବ। ଯଦି ଭିଡ଼ିଓଟି ଭଲ ଲାଗିଥିବ ତାହେଲେ ପ୍ଲିଜ୍ ଲାଇକ୍ ଆଉ ସବସ୍କ୍ରାଇବ୍ କରି ବେଲ୍ ଆଇକନ୍କୁ ପ୍ରେସ୍ କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ, ଯାହାଦ୍ୱାରା ସର୍ବପ୍ରଥମେ ଆପଣମାନେ ଆମର ନୋଟିଫିକେସନ୍ ଗୁଡ଼ାକ ପାଇପାରିବେ। ଥ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ୟୁ ସୋ ମଚ୍।